The Honourable Member for Kilifi South, Ken Chonga.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Thank you, Madam Speaker. Initially, I wanted to put a point of order from the move of the motion after he mentioned that at some point, Honorable Aisha Juma actually made a comment about this. But because he was supporting President Ruto, the matter was neglected. Honestly, it would give a deviation from how we are supposed to debate this motion. But notwithstanding, Madam Speaker, I'm glad that you have given me an opportunity to contribute. And to this motion, I remember yesterday I even tweeted on this matter. Honestly, this is a matter that has been there from 2017. It is on record that in 2017, Mackenzie was taken to court. And from that time, Madam Speaker, the intelligence agencies, security agents, had the responsibility of putting a radar on this kind of a speaker, Madam Speaker. In 2019, the same speaker was again taken to court, released on a cash bail of 10,000, Madam Speaker. Is he working in cohort with the security agencies? Quite a number of things, bad things have been happening in Kenya. This is not the first incident that has happened. We have had stories of security lapse even in those areas where there's cattle rustling and what have you. Madam Speaker, where are we putting Kenyans in such a situation? This same pastor, whom today I'm told he's about to be released on bond, honestly, the stories coming out, this murder or whatever has been going on for years in that farm, and the government actually has not taken any step. It's quite a pity, Madam Speaker. If you hear what Mheshimiwa Soro has said, what the move of this bill has said, it is quite a pity. While the other regime may be blamed that it never took the opportune time to address this, Madam Speaker, I concur with the woman rep of Kilifi County, what she has said. Honestly, from when the government started hearing about this matter, it is yesterday that the president made a statement about it. Is it because the people of Kilifi are not shareholders of this country? Today we are told that the CS for Interior is in Shakahola. 1 week after this matter is being brought to the limelight of the world, today is when the CS for Interior is going to Shakahola. Where do we put ourselves? The number of people in that land are still so many. Those who are still fasting in that land are still so many. We have only been seeing the security agents moving around, actually exhuming, but I think we need to do more than that. 800 acres of land is not a small piece of land, Madam Speaker. We really need a contingent of policemen to go and comb that land, because I am very sure there are still so many people, even as we speak, who are dying. There is no way the government can put a blind eye on what is going on today in Shakahola, Madam Speaker. In fact, if anything, the CS Interior should order a serious contingent to camp in that land for the sake of those who are there waiting to die. And taking a rider from the leader, deputy leader of majority, he has mentioned about another church which is within his constituency. I am aware about that church. He didn't mention the pastor. It is Pastor Mackenzie, Pastor Ezekiel. We are being told that Pastor Mackenzie was actually a follower of Pastor Ezekiel. It is true, even in that church. We have heard about This pastor being a fellow